Yeah, hi. This is Ranjan Thapa. I'm from Kathmandu, Nepal. I'm representing from United States of American Embassy, Kathmandu, Nepal. I came here 5 days professional forklift training in India, Maharashtra, Pune, Pisholi. So first day I was nervous really, and our instructor give us an comfortable moment. First day, theoretically class, it was amazing, and our instructor have a lot of idea. If we ask some question, suddenly he give us answer very politely and very comfortably. Then after physically, uh, not only operating the forklift, how to check the forklift, equipment, safety, all and everything. I'm really very appreciated with this Forklift Academy of India, and especially I like this man can handle the machine and materials. That this slogan is very touchable word. Thank you very much. I wish to Training Academy good luck. See you again. I will ask to my friends to come here for the professional forklift training. Thank you. Namaste.
Forklift Academy of India.